The Union Cabinet has approved Pradhan Mantri Matsya Kisan Samriddhi Yojana, a central sector sub-scheme under the Pradhan Mantri Matsya Sampada for the fisheries sector. Parliament has passed the Water Prevention and Control of Pollution Amendment Bill 2024 with the Lok Sabha approving it today. External Affairs Minister Dr. S. Jaishankar will address the inaugural session of the 7th Indian Ocean Conference in Perth, Australia today. The counting of votes is underway for the Pakistan general election that took place yesterday. The Election Commission of Pakistan has so far announced 34 out of 266 results. In cricket, India will face Australia in the Under-19 World Cup final on Sunday at Willowmore Park in Benoni, South Africa.